3-minute morning stretch routine for back pain relief. Waking up with a stiff or sore back can make even the simplest tasks feel like a challenge. Whether you're dealing with chronic back pain or occasional tightness, starting your day with a short stretching routine can help loosen up your muscles, improve flexibility. Why morning stretching helps. When we sleep, our bodies remain mostly still for hours. This can lead to muscle stiffness and joint tightness, particularly in the lower back. Morning stretching helps get blood flowing to the muscles, releases tension, and activates the core and spine, preparing you for the day ahead. Even just a few minutes can make a noticeable difference. Here's a simple 3-minute stretch routine you can do right when you get out of bed or even while you're still in it. No equipment needed. Minute 1. Child's pose. 30 seconds. Child's pose. Begin on your hands and knees. Sit back on your heels, stretch your arms out in front of you, and lower your chest toward the ground. Breathe deeply and feel the stretch along your spine and lower back. This pose gently opens the hips and elongates the spine. It's calming and effective for releasing tension in the lower back. Move slowly and with control, flowing with your breath. This stretch promotes spinal flexibility and warms up the back muscles in a safe, gentle way. Minute 2. Knees to chest. 30 seconds and spinal twist. 30 seconds. Lie on your back. Pull both knees into your chest and hold them with your arms. Rock slightly side to side for a gentle lower back massage. This stretch helps release tightness in the lumbar spine and soothes pressure in the lower back. Spinal twist. With knees bent, lower them slowly to one side while keeping your shoulders flat on the floor. Hold for 15 seconds, then switch sides. This move helps stretch the spine, hips, and shoulders, promoting spinal alignment and reducing stiffness. Minute 3. Hamstring stretch. 30 seconds and standing forward fold. 30 seconds. Hamstring stretch. Lie on your back and extend one leg straight up. Hold behind your thigh or calf. Knot the knee and gently pull the leg toward you. Switch legs after 15 seconds. Tight hamstrings can pull on the lower back, causing pain. Stretching them can relieve that tension. Standing forward fold. Stand up slowly. With knees slightly bent, hinge at the hips and let your upper body hang forward. Let your arms dangle or grab opposite elbows. Breathe deeply and feel the release in your lower back and hamstrings. This final stretch decompresses the spine and calms the nervous system, leaving you relaxed and limber. Final thoughts. This 3-minute routine may seem simple, but consistency is key. Doing these stretches each morning can lead to noticeable improvements in your posture, flexibility, and pain levels. Pair it with healthy habits like regular movement, good sleep, and staying hydrated for even better results. A pain-free back can be just 3 minutes away. Why not start tomorrow?